In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an advanced trading journal in Notion. We'll build a clean, flexible workspace that captures the essentials of every trade and gives you visual ways to review your performance. Start by creating a new page in Notion and switching it to full width, so your database has plenty of room. Add a table view database to this page. This table is your master log, where each row will be a trade. The goal is to make input fast and reviews meaningful. Let's set up the essential properties. Add a date property and use it to timestamp when the trade was taken. If you like, include start and end times inside that same date entry so you can see how long trades ran. Next, add asset or pair. You can keep this as plain text for full flexibility or choose select to standardize entries. If you go with select, create options like Eurist or BTC so your spelling stays consistent and your filters become cleaner later. Add direction as a select property with two options, long and short. Color coding these can make winners and losers easier to scan visually. Create a strategy property. If you stick to one strategy per trade, use select. If you sometimes combine methods, use multi-select. Options like breakout and reversal work well and can evolve as your playbook grows. Now add setup or context. This is a great place for a short note on market conditions, higher timeframe bias, key levels, or any catalyst you considered. Keep it brief but specific so your future self understands why the trade made sense. For risk/reward, choose either a number property or a formula. If you prefer simple logging, enter a value like 1.5 for a 1.5R trade. If you are comfortable with Notion formulas, you can automate this once you have the inputs you need. Add pfail as a number property and format it as currency. This keeps results consistent and makes summaries easier to interpret at a glance. Include a screenshots property using files and media so you can upload chart images. Drag and drop directly into the cell and keep file names clear to help with quick reviews. Finally, create an emotions property. Text or select both work. The key is to capture how you felt calm. For advanced views, add a calendar view and set it to your date property. This shows trades by day and helps you see cadence and clusters. Then add a gallery view that displays screenshots of setups. Set the card preview to show the first uploaded image and display a few key properties underneath. That's your advanced Notion trading journal structured, visual, and ready to grow with you. Thanks for watching.